You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today, we are going to learn how to make shirt collar. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now, let's go straight to today's tutorial. This is collar gum and I double folded it. The size of the collar is 16 inches. So 16 inches divided by 2 will give us 8. We mark 8 inches here. Please note that you should not use biro to mark this if you are working on a white fabric. Place the collar stand and the collar on the gum that you've just marked, making sure that the line on the pattern aligns with the one on the gum in such a way that the marking is extended by 1 inch, which is the button allowance, and the collar also extends by 1 inch, which is a pointed collar. If you have not watched my video on how I drafted this collar pattern, I have dropped the link at the end of this video, and on the comment section. I have also dropped my WhatsApp group link on the comment section and also on the description box. In my next video, I am going to teach you how I made this design. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out when I post the video. We are going to cut this according to the shape of the collar. We are going to use this to reinforce the tip of the collar to make it strong. This is how you are going to place it. There's something we are going to do here. The collar gum is strong. We don't want to face difficulty when bending the collar. So we are going to cut off just 1/4 of an inch from here. I'm going to show you what to do with it. This is the fabric that I'm going to gum it on. I want it to be biased, so I'm going to gum it on the fabric this way. I've gummed it already. Remember, we cut this thing off from this place. So I'm going to use this gum. This is cloth gum and it's soft. So I'm going to place it here so that that part of the collar will be very soft. Then we trim from the gum. You are not trimming this one from the gum, you are giving half an inch seam allowance Then I've folded the other part of it. You do it this way to get the center of the collar stand. Please, if you've seen what you like and you like what you've seen, just give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up before you continue. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. We are going to cut pieces that we are going to use to turn both the collar and the collar stand. Please note that this back you are cutting, you cannot cut it bias. It must not be bias. That is, if you cut it bias, you will have difficulty in fixing the collar. While fixing the collar will be longer than the main clothes, and you will keep trimming your clothes until it becomes so wide. Make sure you are not sewing on top of the gum. Trim the excess out. Smoothing with iron. Then we are going to run thread round. We are going to fix collar bone. Make sure to slide it in to the tip of the collar. You are also going to run thread along this side to make sure that while fixing the collar, it does not pull out. Fold it this way and notch the center. Next we are going to do is to sew everything together. You place your material that you are using for the turning, then place the collar on top of it, and then the collar stand, making sure that the notching on the two are lined together. Give allowance of about 1/4 of an inch on the collar itself, and sew. Trim off the excess fabric. Then turn. You are going to smoothen it with iron. I've just done that. Trim this excess, allowing half an inch seam allowance. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch my previous video.